Yes, so today I want to discuss about one business opportunity, that is cement manufacturing. The same details you can see in my website also. Since 10 years I have been developing that website. That website name is www.ceyourneeds.in. In that website also you can see the details of cement manufacturing. I will give the link in the description. Once if you click the link directly, you can go to the page and you can read that also. But even though one YouTube video is there, means it is easy to understand, so that I am developing this video. Now we can come into the subject, that is the cement manufacturing. Cement manufacturing is a complex process that begins with mining and then grinding raw materials that include limestone and clay to a fine powder called raw material, which is then heated to a sintering temperature as high as 1450 degrees in a cement kiln. It is in a cement kiln. So actually what is the chart of the cement manufacturing is limestone and clay both will come in blended, and then it will go into the kiln, then clinker store it will go, then cement mill it will go. This is the process of main manufacturing of cement. Cement manufacturing is also construction related business, but it is a intensive. But it is capital intensive. Money is most important in this, and vast land is also important for manufacturing, and machinery is also something costliest. But even though once if you spend it, it will never become waste. But one thing I will say, that in cement manufacturing is easy, but marketing is something difficult it is. Even though what I am saying is, even though what I am saying is cement manufacturing business, you can manufacture it, but generally it is not FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, just like rice and oil something. These products are regularly required to the people, but cement manufacturing, those who want to construct a house will they want to build something, is they will take cement. So orders will come for 1 month after, 2 months after, or sometimes 6 months after also. But one thing is, if you are doing in a small scale cement manufacturing regularly every day, means after 6 months, that 6 months of your daily production will go in one order. So you will be very happy and comfortable, and you can enjoy the profits also. But one thing I will say, even in business also, any type of business, 70% should be the working cost and 30% should be your margin. Because without 30% of the margin, how you will do and how you can earn, how to how to be how it will go to your livelihood. So 30% margin is common to every business. So 70% is the working cost and 30% is the margin. So in this cycle, if you go accurately, you can get very good profits, but don't compromise regarding the quality. Customer will forget cost for the time being, but quality he will never forget. Once quality is not there, means he will say to others also, it will become a big loss to you. So don't forget the quality, don't compromise in quality, then you will be successful in the long run in the business. And don't worry about this month I did not get any order, already 3 months over I did not get any order. Likewise, don't worry about your cement making and cement manufacturing. Already, regularly, if you are doing in a small scale, I am saying that in a small scale, if your cement manufacturing is going on, after 6 months, your daily manufacturing cement is maybe less, 10 bags or 20 bags or something likewise. But after 6 months, you will get in one order, all 6 months of your daily production will go in one order. Likewise, you will get bulk order and you will get bulk income also. So don't worry that. And one thing also I will say, that try to take in advance the amount, or otherwise at par you can take. while delivery itself, you have to collect your money, because order is bulk, and as well as why builders also will think that we are having so many expenses, and so many things and so many works are there, we can give later means it is later on. So don't likewise. In at par they should get the collection. So cement manufacturing industries also don't give any type of loan on loan basis. Please take advance. At least 80% if you take the advance, remaining 20% also in 20 days they should pay. Likewise, you should agree with them. Otherwise, if they pay complete amount in advance, means that is very good. At the time of delivery itself, they should pay everything. If you maintain such restrictions in your business, you will be successful, and you will not have the fear also. Because even if you run the business also, 6 months you can maintain without any order also, and profit also. But after 6 months, how you can run your business? So you should get money, and you should spend on that. For routine business also, you should have money. So don't give on loan basis for any builder. Builders, so many builders may be there, but don't give in loan basis, but always get in 10 to 20 days of all the amounts. You should get it. Then only it will be successful to you. Sell cement competitive price. You can sell cement at competitive price because of the massive construction works that is going on. Before starting this, you should have a project plan with comfortable capital of your own. Summary Summary of production process. Cement is made from limestone and clay. Cement is made from limestone and clay. Raw materials are extracted from the quarry, crushed to powder, and then blended in the correct proportions. Blended raw material. The blended raw material is called the raw feed or kiln feed, and is heated in a rotary kiln at a temperature of about 1500 degrees C. The rotary kiln is a tube up to 200 meters long and perhaps 6 meters in diameter, with a long flame at one end. The raw feed enters the kiln at the cool end and gradually passes down to the hot end, then falls out of the kiln and cools down. Clinker store. The material formed in the kiln is described as clinker and is typically composed of rounded nodules between 1 mm and 25 mm across. After cooling, the clinker may be stored temporarily in a clinker store, or it may pass directly to the cement mill. The cement mill grinds the clinker to a fine powder. A small amount of gypsum a form of calcium sulfate. A small amount of gypsum, a form of calcium sulfate, is normally ground up with the clinker. The gypsum controls the setting properties of the cement when water is added. Get a better understanding of cement. To get a more complete and integrated understanding of how the cement is made, have a look at the cement book or e-book. Is easy to read and concise. Book also contains much more detail on cement and concrete chemistry and process. E-books are also available in internet. Otherwise, you can get it in bookstores also. Please have a proper bookish knowledge basically. Then only take initiative. Get experience in other plants also about their process system will help you to gain good knowledge. Get licenses from concerned authorities. You should get you can get basic license details in internet through Google search. In your nearby city, if you go to MSME, that is micro, small, medium enterprises center, you will get all the details and booklet also available there for licenses and all these. What are the raw materials of cement? The most important raw materials for making cement are limestone, clay, and marl. limestone, clay and marl. These are extracted from quarries by blasting or by ripping using heavy machinery. Step-by-step process to start a cement factory. Make a proper plan and analysis of cement factory. Prepare a budget estimated based on your cost benefit analysis. Select the market or region which you want to target. Select a location for good raw material supply. Understand the cement manufacturing process. How cement is manufactured by dry process. In dry and semi-dry processes, for manufacturing of cement, the raw materials are crushed and fed in the correct proportions into a grinding mill. The raw materials are dried and reduced in size to a fine powder to a grinding mill. Now, the dry powder is called the raw meal. The raw meal is pumped into a blending silo. Basic raw material for cement industry. Limestone comprises 95% of core raw material for cement production. Cement manufacturing consumes minerals such as gypsum, quartz, bauxite, coal, and kaolin, that is China clay, and iron ore too in varying amounts. What are the two methods of manufacture of cement? From the limestone quarry to the delivery of the end product, follow every step in the cement manufacturing process. Step 1, mining. Step 2 is crushing, stacking and reclaiming of raw materials. And step 3 is raw material drying, grinding and homogenization. And step 4 is clinkerization. Step 5 is cement grinding and storage. Clinkerization means mixing, nothing but mixing. And cement grinding and storage, step 5. Then step 6 is packaging. How much should I invest for cement factory? You will require making an initial investment between from 3 lakhs to 10 lakhs also as a security deposit and other requirements to the company based on the brand you pick up. Usually these companies will return this money to you with an applicable bank interest. And one thing I will say, in cement factory, first 6 months you don't expect any type of profit. Because the first order coming itself, it will take 6 months also, from 1 month to 6 months. Luckily, you may get in a 1 month also, 2 months also, but generally, once the cement factory is starting means you will get the order. Minimum you should wait, not minimum, but from 1 month to 6 months you will get the order. That is there. So that you should maintain 6 months of the balance of salaries, working staff salaries, and maintenance and everything you should have. You should be capable to maintain it. So it is capital intensive, and you should have a fund also in before for 6 months of time. Then only you will be brave and you can start the business. But in between the 6 months, you will get the order. But what I am requesting every entrepreneur in cement making is start the making cement manufacturing itself is daily around 10 bags or 5 bags or 20 bags. Likewise, you can in a small amount of manufacturing cement is best, because daily 10 bags means in 6 months you will get 600 bags. Then you will get very good. But one thing, not 600, approximately I am saying around 1000 bags. But what I am saying is, you may not get one order also in 1 month, but after 6 months, bulk order will come to you for 6 months of your manufacturing. So you will get the profits likewise. So that this is a profitable business, but you should have patience and you should have good advertising principles also. Please advertise it in Google business also. Put your area, location, contact number and email, and if you are having a website, that those details, and certain videos about your company, and photos also, and web page also you should design it. But even for Google Business also, you should design a web page. For that, you can easily update it, and it can be useful to you for further. Any customer is nearer to your area. If any customer is expecting cement, means he will get the area name, comma, then cement manufacturing units. Then in the first page itself, they will get your company details and all these. Because the location is restrictedly first beginningly it is there, means you will get it. Then you can then you will get a good order also. That is what I am saying is. What is a mini cement plant? Mini cement plant is a new cement plant, also known as a small cement plant, which refers to the cement plant with a clinker capacity of 50 to 500 TPD. Which process is best for manufacturing of cement? Why choose dry process from manufacturing cement methods? Dry process cement kiln is a kind of rotary kiln which is mainly used in calcining cement clinker. The cement clinker made by the dry process has better quality and stability. It can bring more economical and social benefits in production. What is the basic input in cement industry? Cement sector industry inputs. It is main raw material required for the production of cement. About 1.5 tons of limestone is used in the manufacture of 1 ton of cement. So limestone is used, 1.5 tons of limestone is used in manufacture of 1 ton of cement. Cement grade limestone is located only in certain areas in the country, leading to establishment of cement plants in clusters. What are the 5 types of cement? Ordinary Portland cement is the most widely used type of cement, which is suitable for all general concrete construction. Portland cement and Portland Pozzolana cement, rapid hardening cement, quick setting cement, low heat cement, sulfates resisting cement, blast furnace slag cement, high alumina cement. These are the types of cements. And what is cement and its process? 3 types of strength of cement are measured: compressive, tensile and flexural. Various factors affect the strength, such as water cement also, cement ratio, cement fine aggregate ratio, curing conditions, size and shape of specimen, the manner of molding and mixing, loading conditions and age. What is natural cement? Natural cement is a hydraulic cement made from limestone that has a high clay content. The resulting powder is a natural cement which will set when mixed with water and hardens through a process of cement hydration. High clay cement means here argillaceous limestone. That is the information regarding natural cement, and this is the information I want to provide to you regarding cements. But one thing I will say that everything is but you should have practical. Suppose if you want to start independently, try to have, you may have my web page and YouTube also, and you can see other YouTubes also regarding cement manufacturing and all this, but you should have practical experience also. For that, what you have to do is you should work under one cement manufacturing unit from 6 months to 1 year. Then you know all the practical problems and situations. Then you will be successful if you want to start independently being an entrepreneur. So be careful, and everywhere 70% will be the one business formula is 70% will be the working cost and 30% will be the your margin. So likewise, so what I am saying is, if you maintain this formula, it will be accurate and genuine also. Then you will be successful in your business. And be sincere and accurate regarding the quality making. Don't forget the quality of the cement, and quality cost will be, for the time being, customer will forget, but quality will never forget. So try to maintain good quality, then you will be successful in your long run business of cement manufacturing. May God bless you, and wishing you all the best. And one thing also I want to say, once if you are starting it, you should have a long run commitment also. Suppose after 10 years or 5 years, if you are successful and you earned a lot and you want to shift to your business, you want to concentrate in other businesses like construction and real estate and all these, you can have the knowledge of third party delivery also, delivery business to third party also, with the law details, and you should have contact lawyer also, endorsement of endorsement to third party, then it will be useful to you. But what I am saying is, even if you are jumping to another business also, don't close the cement manufacturing, because so many workers and staff will depend on you. So you should maintain very good rapport with them, and as well as if you want to shift and sell out to your business to the third party, you should maintain delivery details and third party business endorsement and all these also you should know clearly, and then you can sell out your to third party. And one thing I will say, but even those long from the beginning to long 5 years or 10 years of your time also, it will never give any loss to you, because you will get very good goodwill also. According to your turnover and the business, you will get very good goodwill for your services. So that goodwill, sometimes it will be more than your infrastructure and more than your business orders and turnover also. So don't worry about that. You will get your money at last also. So don't worry, and be careful and get licenses very strictly, and pollution board control also will be there. Take those licenses also without any objection. Likewise, if you maintain it, it is a good establishment, and even endorsement also at the time of 5 years or 10 years, you should be done in a smooth way to third party. Then it will be easy to you. Even if you are running yourself to your from forefathers to now also, you can run it, and after you also, your sons or grandsons will run it.